So this is an amazing exercise. What am I doing? I'm doing a lunge hold, isometric work, but then I add dynamic work with my arm. So full body exercise, easy on the knees, smokes the arms and shoulders. Now how do I make this more challenging? All right, how do I make this better in different ways? I can elevate the heel for more low quad stress and more range of motion through the hip and the knee, and then I can also elevate the toe to get more stretch into the ankle. All the options work. You can mix between them from round to round or workout to workout. Enjoy this movement. No exercise is more humbling than the crawl, especially for extended time and retention, except when you add a dumbbell with the traveling one-arm bear row. Exhale up, inhale down. Make sure we're not shifting or turning here. Keep everything square to the ground. And then we add some motion to it. Linear option. Do that in round one. Round two, or set to set, let's do it laterally. So how many movements do I have? Too many! Deep down, I'm just still a dumb bro from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, so I love to work the arms anytime I can. I also love to work the abs, and I know you do too. So we've got the flexed arm knee length carry. Think about the arm and hammer. All right, logo, 90-degree angle, and I can also mess around with the grip. This is your strongest position. You get more brachialis, muscle between the biceps and the triceps. If I go underhand supinated, I really get some external rotation through the shoulder, and I stress the biceps more. Hardest option is here, and there might be a slight drift of the elbow out to really get the forearms. That one's tough, but you can mix grips throughout this movement. Start to get more core engagement and level the pelvis. Treat your knees as feet. And don't do this, right? Think about just sliding it. So if there's a glass of water in your head, you're locked in. I can also bring this up to a stand. So you can mix between this from round to round or set to set. The pump is precious! Gotta love that one arm hip hinge. Easier on the spine, also strengthens and balances. You add the slant boards, elevating the toes. We get more stretch into the ankle, calf, and hamstring. But let's work the back a little bit more by doing a row ladder. Here's how it works. I'm gonna inhale down, push those hips back. Knees are soft, they're not straight, they're soft, right? And I'm not here. I go as low as I can while maintaining a slight lateral arc in the back, and that's why this hand is here. Not just to stretch the front shoulder and tricep, but to feel exactly when that low back gets out of position. So inhale down, exhale up, don't do this, all right? Arm should form a 90-degree angle right there, hold it for a count. Inhale down, exhale up. That was one rep. Now we add another. And we add another. So we add one, then two, then three, then four. You're gonna climb that ladder as high as you can for the single best back workout you'll ever do with a single dumbbell. And you can thank me on the other side. The thruster is a total kick in the dick. You can't get around it, but you can do a couple things to get the most out of it and get less stress on the body. Number one, use a box. I call it the box thruster. Take pressure off the back and the knees. Inhale down to the nose and the belly. Go from a dead stop, easy to recover from too. Exhale up to the mouth. Now I've also done something else. I'm doing it one arm at a time. Again, less stress on the joints, more core activation, all right? And I'm also elevating my heels in a slant board to get more low quad stress and more range of motion through the hip and the knee. I can do a set, feet flat on the floor, and then a set, heels elevated. You can mix and match, have some fun, but make sure you set that height to about top thigh parallel to the floor. Notice how I get lower because I'm using the slant boards. Amazing exercise, super metabolic. You can find lower body and upper body. One-sided, you get the core. Full body, enjoy! The 28-day post-holiday shred is available now. now I'm very excited. Go to thedailybj.com today and get ready to make a serious change. I'm talking 5 to 10 pounds of pure body fat gone. Or let's drop the dress or pant size. You got something special you're getting ready for, your motivation is high. Let's take advantage of it. Let's get as much accomplished as we can in a month. I'll see you there. Go to thedailybj.com today. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for fast, fun, and effective workouts for busy parents and professionals, get a free trial to thedailybj.com today.